Hello, today is Tuesday from Kayaking with Tuesday, Face the Wave Head On. Today is August 16th, 2023, and I am in Fate Sanders Marina, Smyrna, Tennessee. It's a pretty day. The winds are like 7 knots. I'm in the no wake zone right now, and checking this part of the marina out. I've never been to this part kayaking, but I was curious to see if there was houseboats along with speedboats at this marina, and there is. As you can see, we got houseboats, we got speedboats, we got yachts, we got people fishing. Didn't bring my trusty sidekick today because the wind was going to be up and a little choppy, and the dog does not like choppy water. He likes clear as glass water, minimal choppiness. But it looks like a good place to fish, kayak. Just got to watch out for the boats like normal. There is a restaurant, a little restaurant, sandwich shop at the marina here, which is pretty nice. They sell bait. There's a bait shop. It's got 2 rows up there of parking, and usually during fishing tournament, oh my gosh, ain't no way. But I looked out and found me a little spot on the back side of the parking area where I could launch my kayak, and it was pretty nice. Pretty nice. It was a calm area, even though when the boats did go by, there was a lot of waves. But as you can see, in boats like that, it's wide open. Got to watch out for them. Fisherman going. Pretty nice kayak, houseboats, and it is a slow no wake zone, so we are good here. It's pretty nice. The water probably about 65 degrees, and it's about, I'd say, 10:30 in the morning. Let me check at 10:19 a.m. So it's not too bad. Not too bad. We've been getting thunderstorms continuously every day. It seems like there's always a thunderstorm. But for Tennessee, I guess it's normal. Pretty nice. Like this little houseboat there, it's got a slide on it. That's pretty nice. That's a big, nice one too. And that one. Any one of those would be good for a single couple with no kids. Or if you're renting it as a party boat, take your whole family out. Oh, look. He didn't make it. I hear a baby. It was a pretty nice day. Can't complain. Get you a better view. But this is Percy Priest Lake. Big old man-made lake. Got lots of places to put in at. Fate Sanders, weekly recreation area, Jefferson Pike recreation area. This is Fate Sanders. Pool Knob, that is in Laverne. That is a good area to put in. Got an island right across from the boat ramp. Lamar boat ramp. It's a dirt road, but you can still get to it. Kind of curious to see what's on the other side over here, even though it's getting a little choppy. But right over here, I'm going to show you. There's a little restaurant. Boats can pull up to it. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. I'd recommend this area, but not on a fishing tournament day, that's for sure. Too many boats. There is liveaboards here, so people do live under the different areas here. And it is a locked gate, so you gotta have a code to get in. Not too bad, not too shabby. But all in all, looks like a nice little area. I lucked out and got me a parking spot. Usually when you come here, you don't get a parking spot. But if you like my video, I'll try to show you more areas of Tennessee, Smyrna, Laverne, Murfreesboro. I'll get up to Nashville one time to see what they have up there. There's Couchville Lake, which is yet to be explored. It's supposed to be a really nice area. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. This is Tuesday of Kayaking with Tuesday. Face the wave head on. Give me a like, give me a share. Maybe one day I'll get to retire just doing videos for you. If you enjoyed my video, let me know. Have a great day.